Hey Russell fam, in today's video we are going to talk about homeschooling questions for new homeschooling families. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and welcome to Russell's Loving Life. On this YouTube channel we talk about everything from homeschooling to homemaking and everything in between. If you are new to our channel, we are so glad you are here. Please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down at the bottom. That just lets you know every time we upload a brand new video. If you are a returning Russell fam, we are so glad you are back. If you have made the decision to homeschool, congratulations. You have made a big decision. And I know it can seem overwhelming and you have tons of questions like, what do I do now? What's the first thing I do? Can I homeschool for free? What kind of curriculum do I use? How much does it cost? There are tons of questions. Believe me, when I first started homeschooling, I had no idea. So I got on Google, I started researching, and I could not find a place where all of these questions were answered in one place. So I came up with that. I found that place. I created it. It is on my blog. If you go to russellslovinglife.com/questions, it will lead you to the 30 most common homeschool questions. And it will give you the answers, and it will lead you to other articles to give you more information if you need it. I am a homeschooling mom of two, and I have been homeschooling since 2012, and I made it my mission to encourage and support all homeschool moms. Whether you're a new homeschool mom or a veteran homeschool mom, I want to give you support and encouragement. My first year, I felt so alone. I felt so terrified that I didn't know where to go or what to do. And then I found a homeschool group. And the way I found the homeschool group was I asked my local librarian if they knew of a homeschool group in the area, and they did. And let me tell you, they welcomed me with open arms. They answered every question I had. I felt so scared, like I was going to ask the wrong question or I was going to do something wrong. But they made me feel so loved and supported. They answered the questions. They pointed me in the right direction. They told me what worked for them. They told me what didn't work for them. And just because something works for me doesn't mean it's going to work for you. But no, you have to find what works well for your family. There are so many questions out there. I'm still asking homeschool questions. And I've been homeschooling since 2012. So you never stop asking questions. And that's a good thing as a homeschool mom because things are always changing. If something doesn't work for you or your family, don't keep doing it. Find what does work. And to help do that, ask questions. There are Facebook groups that you can ask. You can ask your homeschool group. You can ask your co-op moms. And if you live in an area that doesn't have any of that, there is so much social media nowadays. There's Zoom, there's YouTube, videos just like this that are out there to offer support and encouragement. So never feel like you are alone and there is a dumb question. If you have a question, drop it in the comments below. If I don't know the answer to it, I will find the answer for you. All right, I know this was not a long video. I just wanted to jump on and give you that information. I know if you are like me, you're Googling everywhere, you're trying to find answers to questions, and I just wanted to put that out there for you. So if you are looking for answers to questions, go to russellslovinglife.com/questions, and that will lead you to the 30 questions that I have with the answers. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.